थैंक यू सो मच एंड क्या बोलना चाहेंगे इस रिस्पॉन्स पे जो अभी मिला है और ये बिल्कुल वेलकम मिला है आपको यहाँ पे?
It's amazing. Thank you everyone for coming here. आप लोगों का रिएक्शन देख के मजा आ गया, फिल्म का ट्रेलर देख के बहुत मजा आ गया, and I'm just so happy and glad that all of us are here tonight. I mean, it's been such an incredible pleasure to be part of Pedi. Starting with Bucci sir, thank you. You were like so amazingly warm towards me. Thank you sir, Randy sir. Just how you used to just collaborate on what I could do and how you would capture it. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Ram Garu, you're just amazing, man. Amazing. What a guy you are. Thank you so much for your love and warmth. And this looks amazing. Smashing. Janvi, you look amazing. I mean, I'm sure this is a very different part you've played this time. It's amazing. And, Rahman sir, honor. It's a sheer honor to be in your presence. Thank you so much.
भाई आई हैव टू आस्क यू, क्योंकि बुच्ची सर का इतनी तारीफ उनकी हमने सुनी है, उनके काम की, पहली फिल्म में ही नेशनल अवार्ड उन्होंने जीत लिया। यहाँ पे व्हेन यू वर टोल्ड अबाउट दिस फिल्म, तो क्या लगा था कि हाँ यार ये पॉइंट सुन के ही लगा कि ये पिक्चर अलग है बॉस सबसे?
यार मैंने ये फिल्म ना कहानी सुनने से पहले हाँ करी थी, क्योंकि मैं जब उनसे मिला तब तक पूरी कहानी मुझे सुनाई नहीं थी, लेकिन वो जिस तरीके से मिले ना मुझसे और जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बात करी, बहुत कम लोग होते हैं, बहुत कम ऐसे आर्टिस्ट होते हैं जो इतने खुले दिल से आपसे मिलते हैं विदाउट एनी बैगेज। तो मुझे लगा फिल्म स्क्रिप्ट जो भी होगा, मेरा कैरेक्टर जो भी होगा, लेकिन मैं कूदा इस फिल्म में सिर्फ इनकी वजह से।
क्या बात है। एंड वन मोर थिंग, अगर मुन्ना भैया को पेदी को कोई ऐसे राय देनी होती, कुछ बताना होता, वो क्या क्या एक एडवाइस देता?
आईएएस बनो।
आई थिंक यार पेदी ऑलरेडी इज अ कंप्लीट गाय, वो सब कुछ करते हैं, वो क्या होगा। आई थिंक मुन्ना यही कहता है कि साथ मिलके गैंग बनाते हैं।
That's so Munna Bhaiya. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. जोरदार तालियां. And now it's time to invite on stage the birthday boy, I would say. And I think आप सब की तरफ से इनको ये सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट है जो रिस्पॉन्स आपने दिया है। सतीश गारू के लिए जोरदार तालियां. He's like, you'll get it, in theaters when we release the movie.
You have to say 2 words at least.
That's a good one.
Thank you everyone for coming here, web and print media, and I'm very happy to kickstart the promotions from Mumbai.
Yes.
And this is an amazing film which we worked hard for last 2 years, and now it is yours from June 4th.
Lovely.
And I want to thank my director Buch Babu, who worked very hard for this film, and he has taken whatever he wants from Ramcharan Garu. He has taken whatever he wants from you, sir. So many injuries, so much of hard work from last 2 years, and what not I can tell you. And I promised the first day that I will see the film from Ratnavelu sir's eyes, and it has come very amazing. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And you are the lucky chap of this film.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
Thank you. You have done a great job for this film.
Thank you sir.
And Rahman sir, really amazing. After a long gap in Telugu, it's all music, background score, whatnot. Everything here you have given for this film. I think you have given your heart for this film. Thank you so much, sir. And really thank you. You have done a lot. And Jahnavi ji, you worked so hard for this film, and really you are very amazing, and there are so many things to say about you, because I never felt anything, a point not none bad about you, and you are such an amazing person, and really we thought of your mother when you're there on the sets. Very disciplined, and Really very nice. I cannot express my feelings. Thank you. And sir. Ramcharan sir. One word of his brought me here today. At the time of Rangasthalam, he has given me a word that I will do a film to you. And here we are now. And he has done a film on a word, nothing else. To keep up his word, we worked very hard for this film. And this will be a sure shot blockbuster, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Many things to say, sir. Jai Charan. And thanks to whole my team from Ruddhi Cinemas who worked very, very hard from last 2 years. And thank you, Naveen Nuli. Thank you, Avinash Kolla. And Praveen Garu, wherever you are. And Narasimha Rao, everyone. All team has worked very hard, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, India. Thank you, Mumbai.
Satish sir, thank you so much for sharing all of that with all of us. I would request you to stay back. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite on stage the man जो कि भारत को सच कहें तो एकदम ग्लोबल नक्शे पे लेके गए और बहुत ऊंचाई तक लेकर गए हैं. The maestro, ladies and gentlemen. इनका गाने जो होते हैं, इनका जो म्यूजिक होता है ना, वो थेरेपी होती है. वो सिर्फ म्यूजिक नहीं होता. Give it up for Mr. A.R. Rahman, ladies and gentlemen. To watch the movie because BGM bhi kar rahe the. So talk to us about that, sir. What made you say that yes, this is the movie, you know, and of course the response that we're getting right now.
Yeah, I think I started with Tamil films and then I did Telugu dubbing and Hindi, everything. And I was waiting for the right movie in Telugu to come. And this is the one.
Wow.
So I was waiting, I was pushing, like people used to come for Telugu movies, but when he told me the story and his passion in the eyes made me feel like this is my first movie in Telugu. And I think it's beginning now. But thanks to Bucci and Ramcharan and Satish, thank you.
Rahman sir, if there was one thing that actually stayed with you, is film say, what would that be, sir?
I personally think like anything you take, if somebody goes deep within the subject and pulls the best from every artist, that could be the great film. Like, you know, apart from success or failure, I think it's going to be a great success, God willing. For me, I feel like gone to the depth, every frame this man is shining. Every frame. And I can see the hard work, and physically, spiritually, mentally, and a great honor. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
One last thing, sir. There was this viral video of yours, like a yogi. So what do you have to say about that?
I think he started during COVID, right? So he came to Dubai,
Right.
and this is the first, Chikri was the first tune, and he said very good. And then I did a few other things, and then continued in Chennai, then we went to Hyderabad. So he seems very sweet, but he's not. He's a tyrant.
You said it, sir.
He's a tyrant. He's a very, very soft and very nice, lovable guy. But he said, can you give another tune? Can you give another tune? Can you change the voice?
Right.
But then that's what makes a person, you know, excel, I think. All for the movie. All for you. Janvi, thank you. Yesterday I was watching a mother's movie. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Rahman साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen. And now, let's do it. सब करते हैं तालियां, सीटियां, and of course a lot of love and acknowledgement for his talent. The man जो अपने डेब्यू से ही हर किसी के दिलो दिमाग पे छा गए, बुच्ची बाबू के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां.
थैंक यू. पहले तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि बहुत वक्त के बाद आप सबको ऐसे मंच पर मिल रही हूँ, तो थैंक यू इतना प्यार देने के लिए. एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी हियर. हम ये फिल्म पर पिछले 2 सालों से काम कर रहे हैं और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. आज मैंने पहली बार आप सबके साथ ट्रेलर देखा है और सबकी मेहनत को देखकर, सबका प्यार को देखकर मैं इतनी खुश हूँ. एंड या इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल डे आई थिंक फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस.
You know, there's so much to talk about. Your character, the film, the cast, the wonderful people. Here, adapting that body language, the language, and of course, that attitude. How was it for you?
इट वॉज ऑल बुच्ची सर. ये जैसे कि इन्होंने कहा ना कि ये लग रहा है ऐसे छुई मुई से, ये है नहीं. ये सबसे राउडी डायरेक्टर है इंडिया का. इट्स ट्रू, बट ऑनेस्टली इट्स बिन एन ऑनर फॉर मी. आई थिंक ये फिल्म ने मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है. इतना सुपर्ब ट्रेलर दिया है, आप सबसे इतना प्यार दिया है. होपफुली फॉर जून के बाद और भी प्यार आएगा. बट रियली इस मूवी के दौरान मैं इन सब लोगों को जान पाई हूँ. ऑफकोर्स देवेंदु जी के साथ काफ़ी कम सीन्स रहे हैं, बट होपफुली इन द फ्यूचर. रैंडी सर के साथ ये मेरा दूसरा फिल्म है. एंड आई थिंक आई लुक द बेस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिज कैमरा. सो थैंक यू सर, ऑलवेज. It's always an honor to be a part of a film where Rahman sir is doing the music. It's I think our second collaboration together. It's been a complete honor. और ये जो इंसान है जो मेरे बगल में खड़े हैं, इन्होंने honestly he's changed me in so many ways. In fact, I think एक पॉइंट पर मैं जिस तरह से इनको अभी कॉल करती हूँ ना, ये मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो गए. हर रोज़ मुझे एक कॉल तो करना ही पड़ता है बुच्ची सर को कि सर कैसे जा रहा है, सर डबिंग करे. फालतू की बातें करती हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि रोल तो ख़त्म हो गया है. लेकिन मैं सिर्फ आई थिंक इट जस्ट गोज टू शो द इन्वेस्टमेंट. इवन सतीश कारू, इन्होंने मुझे इतना अपनापन दिया है सेट पर. I feel like there's a genuine sense of ownership with the film, and it is genuinely one of the biggest honors of my life to have worked with Ram sir and to see what he's given this film. And I think because of all of the love that everyone's obviously given Mom and Chiranjeevi sir throughout the years, I understand कि एक बहुत ही अलग टाइप का जुड़ाव है लोगों को हमारे साथ. एंड इट मीन्स अ लॉट टू अस, बट इट फेल्ट वेरी कॉस्मिक टू कम टुगेदर फॉर अ वेरी स्पेशल फिल्म विथ हिम एंड टू गेट टू नो हिम एज अ पर्सन, बिकॉज he is the best person. He really is the best person. So I hope that you all enjoy everything he's given to the film, because we've all given a piece of our hearts to the film. So yeah. बहुत भाषण दे दिया. अभी क्या सवाल पूछेंगे आप?
मैं सिर्फ यही पूछना चाहता हूँ, लुक देख के हम लोग तो सब एकदम ऐसे हो गए कि वाओ जानवी और ऐसे
पे जा रही थी, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही हटके डायरेक्शंस देते थे मुझे कि जीप के साथ ये करो, स्कर्ट के साथ ये करो, ऐसे बात करो. तो ये कैरेक्टर का जो अंदाज है, जो तेवर है, वो बहुत हटके है, बहुत अतरंगी है. So yeah, I've gone completely on his conviction. कोमल सर रिव्यू जब देंगे ना, जो भी मैंने किया आप इनका नाम लीजिए. But really it was so exciting, क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से इन पिछले 2 सालों में मैं बहुत खुल गई हूँ. एंड उसका क्रेडिट सिर्फ ये फिल्म को जाता है और बुच्ची सर को जाता है. सो थैंक यू सर.
वाओ. और मुझे जो स्पेशल चीज़ पता लगी, बिकॉज व्हाइल आई वाज कमिंग इनसाइड, यू नो, बहुत सारे लोग हैदराबाद से, वाइजैक से आए. वो स्पेशली दे वांटेड टू टॉक. हाँ, दैट तेलुगु कनेक्शन, यू नो, वो एक इमोशन है जो कि चलता चले जा रहा है. टॉक टू अस अबाउट दैट. ये क्या है, हो क्या रहा है ये? यू नो, दे लव यू डाउन साउथ, एंड स्पेशली तेलुगु कनेक्शन जो है ये बड़ा इमोशनल है.
मैं बॉम्बे में रहती हूँ, लेकिन मेरा घर तो वहाँ ही है. अंदरिकी नमस्कारम. इतना प्यार जब मिलता है तो घर से ज़्यादा, सबसे ज़्यादा लगाव वहीं लगता है मुझे. सो या, एंड आई होप कि मैं वहाँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम करती रहूँगी. एंड आई होप आई मेक एवरीवन हैप्पी विद.
वाओ, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, जानवी कपूर, वन मोर टाइम. और
गुड इवनिंग मुंबई. Thank you. 2 minutes, తమ్ముడు. Thank you. 2 minutes. 2 నిమిషాలు. Firstly, I want to thank and welcome all the senior journalists who are here. The print.
अरे एक मिनट सुन तो लो.
All the media personals, thank you so much for gracing this event. It means a lot to us. All your support. Thank you. I love you.
अच्छा एक मिनट. What we'll do is,
2 minutes.
सुनो.
2 minutes.
एक काम करते हैं.
2 minutes, please.
सर, एक बार मैं कहता हूं इस तरफ हाथ हिला दीजिए, एक बार उस तरफ, फिर ये सब शांत बैठ जाएंगे. थैंक यू. नाउ दैट साइड. थैंक यू. नाउ वील टॉक. नाउ वील टेक दिस आगे. लवली यार, कमाल लोग हो तुम. ओके, सो Yes, please go ahead, sir.
I think it's an incredible last 2 years. This movie has been embedded in every cell of us. We've been living this, breathing this for the last 2 years. Mr. Bujbabu has been living, breathing this for the last 5 years. So it's a lot of investment. And I want to thank Buchi Babu for one reason, for convincing Mr. Rahman sir to be on the board on this project. Thank you, Buchi Babu. You know, I'm sure every project has 4 or 5 pillars, but this is the center pillar. The center pillar is R. Rahman sir. It is so needed. The way he composed movies like these and many movies like this he's composed, especially I love your works and Pele sir. It is one of my favorite background scores. So it is such an honor to be in his presence, in his films that he is part of. Thank you so much for being part of Peddi sir. And Devendra, thank you man. You're a gangster. No, say gangster. His personality is almost like a giant personality. The way he carries every word, every dialogue, the expression. He's got a swag. He's got his own way. And the body language is something that I would like to develop or inculcate.
You have it already.
And of course, this is my 5th film or 4th film with Randy sir. He's a master. He's a master. He etched every frame so beautifully in the post, in the shoot. Thank you so much for. And Janvi ma'am, thank you. No, I've not seen such a diligent person in my life. The way she is working so hard. She used to rehearse the last day we just shot a song. I didn't have time because we were shooting 85 days continuously, and then the song landed up. I was like, I was learning there and I was doing it, and I didn't know whether she practiced it too. She did it 100 times better than me in the last song we did. I was like, she's like a Chupa Rustam. She's quietly learning it in Mumbai, and I like that dedication. It's something that she's very sincere to her work, and this Peddi needed a lot of sincerity in all of us, and I'm very, very happy. My dad and Ms. Sridevi ma'am had worked together. It was long wish for our family, our fans, and who appreciated this, our parents coming together and us. So it is like a nostalgic thing for all of us, and this pair will not disappoint you guys. It will really. She's done her best. So Satish Garu, thank you for your kind words. I wish I can translate exactly what he said. On YouTube, please select on YouTube you can select the language Hindi. Autocorrect. But yeah, he's really worked hard. He's the main man of this evening. It is because of him all of us are here, and he deserves every applause, every love, and your support he deserves. Telugu. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తెలుగు అభిమానులందరికీ పేరున నమస్తే. Thank you so much. Yeah, చేయి బానే ఉంది. This is a small gift that Buchi has given me. So through the course of the film, I think last 25-30 days we were doing a Kusti Pailwan shoot, and I've asked him to get really trained artists, but he's got real Pailwans. जब action बोलते हैं ना जोरदार पकड़ते हैं, and that's what happened. So I have a cartilage there, but it's fine. It's worth it. It's a beautiful memory of Peddi. I'm going to have. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing that. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. So now, sir, yes, sir. Sir would like to say something.
I want to thank Sukumar Garu for introducing Peddi, a man to me. Thank you so much.
Rambhai, this one's for you. Talk to us. Of course, you talked about everyone here. Buchi Babu sir talked about jo humne samjha, sir, say thank you so much. But here, talk to us about this transformation of yours. And physically nahi tha, because I'm sure emotional also, emotionally it was really challenging. Talk to us about that, please.
I mean, like Mr. Rahman sir said, there was a lot of spiritual journey tha isme. Because physically it was very challenging. Thanks to, first of all, Salman sir and Amir sir for giving us and paying the path for such films like Sultan and Dangal. It gave us so much confidence. Thank you, sir. Thank you, both of you, for starting this journey. And we believed that these kind of films had worked in the past.
Yeah.
And obviously we followed the same route, and the transformation was inevitable. It has to be done. It is part of the story. When he narrated to me, I remember in my house, वो नीचे अच्छा carpet डाल के पूरा script ऐसा रख के, he was going by one reading, and 2 hours 40 minutes. I didn't have anything to say. I just got up and we started this journey. I knew it was going to be physically very, very tiring, and it's all worth it for this man and the subject he's written. It is a very, very sincere film. This is about a man's search for his identity. So everybody, we all need some kind of an identity to live, to go through the day. And this is about Piddi, who's finding his identity. वो identity crisis रहता है. Through that, how he has found an identity for a very, very big reason, very big larger cause, and what all he had to go through. The crossover athlete, क्यों crossover athlete बना है? So what led him to do what he is? The pain in Delhi, you saw so it's a beautifully etched film. It is organic. At the same time, it's highly commercial, and it will take audience of all ages will be very, very happy and surprised to see this film. And I also believe this is the most inspiring story I have done in my life. Not just me. My dad, my dad saw part of it, and he said, Ram, for anybody to get a film like this, it normally takes a decade. Har saal mein we can't have a Magadhira or RRR. It takes a while. He said, please relish every moment of this, because you're not going to get a movie like this again. So when my Magadhira happened in 2007, then RRR Rangasthalam, it took 10 years. But luckily now abhi to thoda jaldi aa gaya ye film. So good films don't come very easily, and this is one of those films I want to keep in my library forever.
You just talked about RRR, sir. There's this observation, you know, people say जब आप bow and arrow उठाते हो तो भगवान राम का डायरेक्ट आशीर्वाद मिल जाता है. यहाँ पे it's a mace and a गदा. So हनुमान जी का आशीर्वाद. Are you like the best superhero that we have? ऊपर से बॉस की पूरी blessings मिल रही है? Thank you. है ना?
Completely needed. I mean, my name is Hanuman Ram Charan Ke Tej. So I'm a big follower, and he's the god of Kushti, you know.
Yes. What did you love the most, sir? Like कुश्ती, cricket या क्या cross country क्या किया है मुझे नहीं पता है.
Cross country. Kushti, yaar. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah,
how.
Janvi, yes, thank you so much.
Yeah, of course, Janvi is on top of the list. But I mean, it's physically challenging. I don't know how Amir sir and Salman sir has done it. I have a lot of injuries. But every single day there was this feeling where I want to wake up today and go to sets.
Right.
It was not like school ja rahe yaar today kitna shooting karna hai. No, I don't want to leave my sets. This is one of the first few movies where I didn't want to leave the sets. I want to wake up at 5, work out and go there. So as a schoolboy jaise tha. So it is very interesting that that feeling we should retain when we're doing a movie.
Right.
You know you're doing something right.
अब मैं कुछ करने वाला हूं, मुझे आपका नहीं पता, यहाँ सब लोग बोलेंगे आई एम डूइंग इट राइट. सो मैं चाहूंगा वो चिकरी थोड़ा सा चला दो एक बार आप लोग. एंड ऑफ कोर्स मेगा पावर स्टार रामचरण एंड जानवी कपूर, आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट देम टू स्टेप एक थोड़ा सा फॉरवर्ड.
She's a chuppa Rustam. She would have practiced it better than me.
चलता है ना सर, चलता है. एक स्टेप आगे आ जाएंगे एंड वील डू दिस. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, रामचरण एंड जानवी कपूर, चिकरी.